Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a Groundhog's Day surprise fold. So hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with our Groundhog surprise fold, we need to begin by folding up our paper. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fold my paper in half just like a birthday card. So I'm going to line up the corners just like this, and then I'm going to fold it down. Next, I'm going to take my card and I'm going to fold down this front flap, and we just want to fold it right down here to the edge and just press right down. That way you can open it up like this, or you can turn it and open it up like this. Now, I want to draw my groundhog on here, and this is how we're going to do it. So the first thing we want to do is we want to make his little hole that he's going to be coming out of. So I'm going to start right about here on my paper, and I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to come up to here. And then I'm going to draw the line right across here. I'm going to draw right on that fold. Next, I'm going to bring this down at an angle to about here. Now, I want it to look like there is some snow on this little burrow that he's in. So I'm going to begin here, and I'm just going to make a little wavy line. I'm going to bring it over here, and I'm just going to bring it up to here. Next, starting here, we're just going to draw kind of like a little wavy, bumpy line across. I'm going to add a little bit of grass here. So a little zigzag line. We'll draw a little line across. And then I'm just going to make a little line that goes down and then over. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that just kind of curls around, kind of wavy, just to add a little bit more snow. Now, for his little burrow, I want to add some little lines just to add some detail. So I'm going to add some broken lines that come down here. I'll add a little line that goes up here. We'll add just a few little extra lines coming down here, just for some detail. Now, on the top here, I want to make it look like our groundhog is just kind of poking his head out, like he's not too sure if it's good to come out or if he needs to go back and hibernate some more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a little line that curls up, and then I'll do the same thing over here, just a little line that curls up. Next, I'm going to make a little circle shape here, and I want to do the same thing over here, a little circle shape. I'm going to add a little line that curls up and another one that curls up here. And then I'm going to add a couple little bumps on here for some fur. Now, starting here, I'm going to add a circle for one eye. I'm going to leave some space and then add a circle for another eye. Then I'm just going to add a little circle on top of each one, and then a smaller one underneath it, and then we're just going to color this in. And then right here in between the eyes, I'm going to make a little line that goes across, and then I'm just going to make a little line that goes down and then up for his nose. And inside of the ears, I'm going to add another little small circle inside of here. Now, our next step is to open it up. So we're going to open it up, and now we have this nice space in between our groundhog and his little burrow here. So what we want to do is we want to add his body. So what we're going to do first is I'm just going to take this line and I'm just going to draw it down a little farther on each side. And then I'm going to add his arms. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a little line that goes out. It's going to curl around and then come back like this. And then same thing over here. We're just going to go out. We're going to curl around and then come back. Starting here, I'm going to add a little line that's going to curl down, and then another one that's going to curl down here. And this time I'm going to add a little line that goes out. I'm going to curl around and then come back. And then one here, I'm just going to go out. It's going to curl around and then come back. Then starting here, I'm just going to add a little line that comes to here. Now, starting up here, I'm going to add a little line that's just going to go down. I'm going to curl it around here. And then I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm just going to go down and then curl around. I'm going to make a little line that goes down, over, and then up for his tooth with a little line that comes down. Then starting here, I'm going to make a little line that goes down. It's going to go over and then up for his mouth with a little line across. Then I'm just going to color this in. And I'm going to make a little line right down here for his chin. Now, starting here at the bottom, I'm going to add a little line that's just going to curl around, and then it's going to come back down to here. And underneath here, we're going to make a little bumpy line with some points on it for his tail. Starting here, I'm going to add a little circle at the end of each leg for his little paws. Then I'm just going to add a couple little lines just to kind of show that he's jumping out of his hole because he's so happy. And then I'm just going to add a couple little kind of circle shapes around here just to kind of show that there's like some dirt and stuff jumping out of here as he's flying out of his hole because he's just so happy that winter's almost over. Then I'm going to add a couple little dots on here too for some whiskers. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little Groundhog's Day surprise fold. When you close it up, you have this little groundhog just kind of hiding, looking around, not too sure if he should come out or not. And then when you open it up, you have this nice groundhog that's just really excited, jumping out of his hole. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.